Welcome back to Fire to Fork. We have had an awesome day in Cape York, or on the way to Cape York. We're not even close to Cape York actually. We've done like 30 Ks of the old telly track, and it was genuinely some of the most fun I've had in ages doing a track. I don't think I've ever done a track as fun as this. I always thought the old telly track was kind of overrated. It was kind of hyped up by celebrities and whatever. It's really good fun. It's genuinely really good fun. It's got a lot of variety. It's got a lot of interesting stuff. The four-wheel driving is genuinely hard. Probably should have taken a different line today, but that's okay. That's a different story. That's in a vlog that's probably already out now. I'm gonna cook tonight an Elvis burger. The reason I'm cooking this tonight is because I want to get a lot of fresh ingredients out of my fridge. So I always cook the things with the most ingredients. So the next few videos are going to be me draining my fridge of fresh ingredients and getting down to the most basic meals that take up basically no room in your fridge. So the Elvis burger is, I don't even know how to say it. It's completely ridiculous. It's the burger that apparently Elvis loved. There are a whole bunch of different reports on what was exactly in it. I'm going to make my version of it. It's almost certainly not going to be what Elvis ate, but it's going to be what I want to eat. Well, we'll see if I want to eat it tonight. And we're going to have a blind taste tester, not blind taste tester, just a taste tester who's never had anything like this before to try one as well. So I'll make 2 burgers. First thing we do, get some beef. I'm going to assume Elvis, as not a small man, didn't have a small patty. Let's go kind of a pretty reasonable sized thickness, like not a smash burger. This is going to be a real burger. Actually, bugger it. I smuggled this in on the plane. It's MSG. It's not what you'd usually put on this, but I really like MSG on a burger, so MSG. It's a kind of an umami flavor. Umami, kind of best description of that I can give you is like a mushroomy kind of that. It's not salt, it's something different. Bit of pepper, not too much. Some people are very sensitive to pepper on burgers. I didn't realize it till recently, but they are. So yeah, that's a thing. Next, I don't think this burger tastes nearly as good without a bit of bacon. So, streaky bacon, I think 3 bits. Cut them in half so they're the right length for the burger. Yeah, I think 3 across the, yeah, that'll work well. 3 of them, and that, and 2 buns, this is only 1 obviously, 2 buns is what I'm going to take down to the coolest place I've ever had a fire. Let's go. If this isn't the coolest place you've ever seen a fire pit, I don't know what is. Actually, no, there's that one scene in the Grand Tour where Jeremy Clarkson had a fire pit in the front of his army boat, and that is the coolest place I've ever seen a fire. Jeremy Clarkson also kind of looks like my dad, and he's kind of one of my heroes. Anyway, I'm getting off topic already. So, I am going to cook some burgers. I've got a cast iron campfire skillet. I am going to do a video actually on the whole discount setup I have on this trip. Nothing is ideal, but everything I think is really good value for money. It's a really good starter kit, and I definitely recommend it. And there will be links, not yet, because I'm in the Cape and I don't have time to edit my website, but there will be links soon in my on my gear page to the discount kit, and I think it'll be really cool. So, start off, bacon. So, shortcut bacon, sorry, not shortcut, oh my God, I can't believe I said that. Streaky bacon, because I like flavor, in the pan, cast iron pan, and this is just a bit of peanut oil. If you're allergic to peanuts, don't use peanut oil, use rice bran, use canola, use something else. Now, while those are cooking, we get our big patties. This place during the day, this is genuinely one of the best afternoons I've ever had. All my worries went away. It was just incredible. Leave them to fry for probably 2-3 minutes, and then we're done. That's literally we'll do the buns once these are done, but pretty much done. Now, as always in these episodes, you can win a copy of my book if you comment the code word down below. I haven't decided the code word yet. I'll make it up on the fly, but as long as you comment it down below on not on Instagram, on YouTube, not on Instagram, not on email, not on anything else. Don't send me an email that just says code word. I'll send one person from this video a copy of my book. I'm a little bit behind in choosing winners. Sorry, this bloody smoke. But I will get to it. So comment down below. All right, these patties are looking good, so we're gonna chuck these buns on and give them a quick fry up. Get them in the fat, get them in the fat. Don't waste it.
Two very boring minutes later.
Yep, looking good. Getting a few brown bits on there. The residual heat in that cast iron will keep cooking it, so let's go. Okay. Sorry, I'll turn my headlight off. Okay. Well, they're looking good. Yes. So, nope, that's definitely wrong. Like that. So let's make a burger. These things shouldn't take long at all. So you get your patty. A bit thicker than I'd usually have it. Usually like a smash burger, but look, let's try and be somewhat true to, I guess, the era. And this is an experiment. I'm not going to deny, I've tried a Presley and Elvis burger or whatever you want to call it before. I liked it. This particular version is a newie. We're going to see, but also I want to test it on someone in the wild. It's a pretty divisive burger. I know there are going to be comments going, "Oh my God, that's the most disgusting thing I've ever seen." Totally fine. Doesn't bother me. You don't have to like everything. People can have different tastes, believe it or not. That is peanut butter, and I've used cheap, crunchy Bega peanut butter, as it turns out. I believe in America it's called Jif, is the normal one, the normal cheap peanut butter brand. So I would assume that's what he used, because let's be honest, he wasn't trying to be healthy here. He wasn't getting like hipster 100% peanut butter. He was getting something that was tasted like peanut butter, and probably something familiar. This is a bit rogue. I like to add a little bit more pepper, because I really like peanut butter and jam and pepper, because I do. Bit of bacon. And, ooh, that's slidey. So you'll see I'm putting my cast iron skillet on a metal plate. That's because my table is plastic, so this is a way of kind of getting around it. It's not a great method. I'd far prefer a stainless table, but I'm on a budget. And the stainless tables I like are really expensive. So this is what I'm doing for now. A few slices of banana. Now, Nathan, would you like to come in and have a little try?
It's different.
It's very different. It's very different. It's way out there. Okay. Have a crack at that and see what you reckon. I think it needs something. It needs some sauce or something.
It does a bit, yeah.
It's a bit dry.
The banana is really good though.
It's really good, isn't it?
The butter is unreal. But I think you're right, it needs
a bit... I hate to say this. I think it needs a bit of maple syrup, which I don't have.
Yeah, I've got honey.
I'm going to put more jam on.
More jam?
I think jam will do the same job. Like, it's sweet, it's syrupy. Not syrupy, like, you know, it's liquid. I am not using the right knife for this at all. Okay. All right. Let's give you a good slog of jam. I didn't realise the jam was so essential in this, because without it, it would be so dry.
Yeah.
Don't you reckon? I've heard people are just doing.
But you're right. It is.
It's just a
little
bit.
bit dry. It
Yeah.
needs something.
I really didn't expect that, but that's all right. That's how we learn. Okay, so double jam.
Double jam.
Have a crack at that.
Right, we're back.
We're back. Okay. That's my jam. I didn't plan that.
Wow.
That was good. Oh, I'm such a dad. I still reckon maple syrup in there or something would be better, but that works pretty well.
Dude, I don't reckon. I think it'll almost be too much, but I don't like sweet stuff very much. But more jam, definitely.
It balances out the savoury, doesn't it?
More jam.
Yeah.
I've got nothing.
It's a wild burger, isn't
It's
it?
unreal. It's like you're eating breakfast and dinner at
Yeah.
the same time.
It's kind of like fried chicken and waffles or something. But
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is,
I'm into it.
yeah,
I'm into it. Yep.
making a horrid mess.
Yeah, it's not healthy at all. This is why Elvis isn't with us. It might just
Why
be
he
the
died
burgers.
on the toilet?
Yeah, that's why Elvis died on the toilet. Fantastic. All right. Comment the code word somewhere below. See you in the next one. Cheers. Oh, this is good.
Thank you. That's amazing.
This is a good burger. You guys want to try some?
It's actually unreal, Dave.
Yep, I won't say no.
Yeah, I'll give him this one. I've already had dinner. The jam, definitely, 100% more
100%.
jam.
Yeah.
With it, but at the first part, it was like, yeah, it needs some sort of...